The time has come. The video you're seeing was created with just one sentence, without a complex timeline and without using multiple tools. Everything happens inside a single system, and that's exactly what makes it different. CapCut has recently introduced something beyond a simple feature, a complete AI that can generate a full video using just one prompt. CapCut Seedance 2.0 is now finally available inside CapCut, and this is exactly where the story begins. Before we get into the tutorial, just take a quick look. A complete scene with camera movement, sound, and multiple shots, all created from a single sentence. This is exactly the point where you start to feel the difference. There's no need for complex editing and no traditional video structure. Just one idea, and the system does the rest. Now, let's take a closer look at how it works. Right now, I'm inside CapCut, and from here, I go into the Video Studio section. In this part, I select the Try Seedance 2.0 option and enter a full canvas where everything is displayed. On the left side, you have inputs like prompts and settings, and the outputs appear directly on this canvas. Now it's time to start a simple test to see what this system can actually do. I enter this prompt: a samurai warrior fighting a shadow ninja on a rainy rooftop at night. I set the settings to text to video, 720p resolution, 5 seconds duration, and a 16:9 aspect ratio, then click Generate. The result is interesting. The movements don't feel floaty. They have weight and force. The camera is not just a static shot. It creates multiple angles, and most importantly, the AI feel is much less noticeable. Now let's look at where this becomes really powerful. I start with a simple shot. I type, a medieval knight walking slowly inside a dark castle hallway, lit by torches. I keep it at 16:9, 5 seconds and 720p, then generate. This gives me my first clip on the canvas. Now, instead of starting over, I stay inside the same canvas and use this clip as the base for what happens next. I type, the knight starts running forward as fire spreads along the walls. And this is where the workflow completely changes. The system doesn't just generate another clip. It automatically understands the scene, keeps the same character and environment, and starts building a full continuation. First, it creates a structured video brief. Then it turns that into a storyboard. Step by step, scene by scene, everything is planned and generated automatically. The story is written, the visuals are created, and the sequence is built shot by shot. And in the end, from that one initial clip, we've turned a simple idea into a longer cinematic story, all inside the same canvas. Everything stays connected, consistent, and part of one unified workflow. And that's what makes this system feel much more professional.
Ancient stone and cold silence. In these halls, peace is a fragile thing, but silence never lasts. Suddenly, hellfire erupts. The inferno wakes with a roar. Run! Every second is a gamble against the heat. The shadows turn to gold. Do not let the flames catch you. There it is, the iron door. One final push.
Now let's create a more complex scenario. Two foxes doing kung fu and fighting each other, wearing martial arts outfits in a classic martial arts movie style. I also add a short story. Your end has come and come forward. I set the duration to 15 seconds and generate. Multiple shots are created automatically. The rhythm of the scene is set before the fight begins, and the sound and dialogues are well synchronized. Most importantly, the visual style stays consistent throughout the entire video.
你的死期到了，拿命来！
Let's do one more test. A young wizard in a floating city in the sky faces a giant dragon and releases energy from his staff. In this scene, complex elements are transformed without breaking apart. Close-ups are created correctly and continuity between scenes is maintained. This is where the real power of the system shows itself. And now click the link in the description to be the first to try CapCut Seedance 2.0. Overall, CapCut Video Studio is not just a new tool. It introduces a new way of creating videos, not only in terms of output quality, but also in workflow and the way content is produced. It's not perfect yet, but what's clear is that the process of content creation is changing. If you want to see more tests, make sure to follow the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.